Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the basics of crochet. We will start from scratch, so don't worry if you have never held a hook before. Holding the hook and the yarn, there are two ways to hold the hook. First way to hold the hook like a knife, and second way to hold the hook like a pencil. To hold the yarn, first thing, wrap the yarn around your pinky finger like that, and wrap the yarn around your index finger. And after that, hold the yarn between your middle finger and thumb finger. And the hook, you can hold it like that or like that. Now let's make the slip knot. To make the slip knot, loop the yarn like that and pull the yarn through the loop. Here is the yarn, pull it through the loop. One more time, loop the yarn and pull the yarn through the loop. And also you can use the hook to pull the yarn. And now insert your hook into the loop. Now you are ready to make the chain. And to make the chain, hold the yarn and first thing, yarn over. Yarn over, it means wrap the yarn over the hook, like that. After that, pull through. Pull through, it means pull the yarn through the loop, like that. Here it is. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. And continue. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over and pull through. And now you have a chain. Now let's learn the basic crochet stitches. First thing, the finger crochet. Insert your hook into the second stitch, like that. And after that, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now you have two loops in your hook. Yarn over again and pull through the both loops. One more time. Insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through the both loops. And here it is, you have single crochet. Here is the last stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Now you have two loops. Yarn over and pull through the two loops. Yarn over and pull through this loop. And now let's start with the second row. Here it is. So it's like V shape and there are a hole. So insert your hook into this hole and do the same pattern. Yarn over and pull through and yarn over and pull through the post loop. It is. This is the first stitch in second row. Now the second one. And follow the same to continue. Now let's make the half double crochet. First thing, yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch and yarn over and pull through the loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. Here it is. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch. After that, yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. question the same. We insert the hook in this place or this hole, but first yarn over and insert the hook here and follow the seam. And I will continue. Now let's make the double crochet. To make double crochet, it is the same, starting like half double crochet, yarn over and insert the hook into the loop, and yarn over again and pull through this loop. Now you have 3 loops like half double crochet, but the difference is we yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and now we have 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through the 2 loops. Here it is. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch and yarn over and pull through this stitch. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over through the first 2 loops, and now you have 2, yarn over again and pull through the 2 loops. Here it is. It is last one, yarn over and push through, yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over again and pull through the stitch. Now 3 loops, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and after that yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Here it is, to the end, yarn over and pull through. Now the second row, go to the same. We have this part and this part. This is small hole and this is big hole. We insert the hook into the small hole. Here it is. Yarn over and pull through. And it is last one. And you can start another row. Here it is. It is the difference between single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. This is about video today. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to practice, and if you have any questions, leave them in comments below. And if you enjoyed the video,